Remember that guy, the Starman? He left on that rocket, Elon Musk's Starman. He was going into orbit and
with the Roadster.
Yeah, he's in the Roadster at the end of the rocket, and he looks like an astronaut kind of suit on, and he's holding the steering wheel, and then it says "Don't panic" in the dash, and it was kind of just a fun thing at the time. Well, we have some news about that guy. That guy's really far away now, as you might imagine.
Yeah.
And recently, he passed as close as ever to Mars. 2 years later, the Falcon Heavy upper stage and the vehicle at its tip are making their second trip around the sun. And the Starman passed 4.6 million miles from Mars at 2:25 a.m. October 7th, which is 19 times the distance from Earth to the moon and 35 times closer than anyone on Earth has ever gotten to Mars. So I know he's not a real person, but he's closer to Mars than Elon's ever been.
He's making moves.
Yeah, he's making moves.
Good on him.
What was I going to say though? Oh, he's not doing well though.
No,
physically. No, he's got some health problems. Because of all the radiation and whatnot.
Okay.
He's got no atmosphere to protect him. So the speculation here is that probably all of the organic materials would have been wrecked at this point. So the red paint is likely gone. The rubber tires, gone. The leather seats, wrecked. And because all the carbon bonds that hold them together would have been destroyed by radiation at this point. However... the aluminum frame and the glass parts might be okay.
Okay.
That might be the lasting effect. I mean, it created some incredible visuals. That's a real photo, man.
Yeah.
Like they did some cool stuff with him, but he's still floating out there. He might look a little different with the all the exposure, but inspiring stuff. This guy.